What if your next viral short could literally build itself with AI? Welcome back to AI Arena, where we push creative tools to their limits. Today, I'm testing Filmora 15, the newest upgrade that everyone's talking about. Can it actually become the most popular editing tool of the year? We'll find out by rebuilding a viral short from scratch using 7 of Filmora's latest AI features, with a timer on screen to see how many steps and minutes we save. Let's see if AI editing finally beats the old school grind. Let's dive in. Here's the finished 10-second clip first. Clean, cinematic, ready for socials. Now let's rewind and see how we got there. Let's start with the new source and timeline preview editing. It instantly changes how you assemble clips. You can preview and mark your favorite moments before they even hit the main timeline. That means no messy tracks or wasted time trimming dead space later. In one of our creator case studies, this alone cut the first draft edit time by almost 40%. Next comes AI Extend. This one is pure magic. Type something like hold and subtle push in, and Filmora expands your clip by up to 8 seconds while keeping motion, background, and audio perfectly in sync. No more awkward freeze frames or reshoots. In our AI Arena test, Premiere managed a 2-second extension before breaking continuity, but Filmora delivered 7 smooth seconds with 0 visible artifacts. Then we jump into the new pen tool for motion paths. You can draw a route and attach stickers, arrows, or logos that follow it automatically. No keyframes, no After Effects. We used this in a recent Vortex explainer video to highlight key UI actions and reduce production time by half. Now, one of my favorite upgrades, animated charts. You can import any CSV with your views, ROI, or engagement data, and Filmora instantly turns it into a motion graphic bar or line chart. Perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone building report-style videos. One agency told us they ditched After Effects completely for client reports after switching to Filmora's chart generator. Dynamic captions come next, and they completely transform text animation. You can sync captions to music beats or speech emphasis without doing it manually. We tried this in a silent scroll TikTok test and got a 22% increase in watch time. It keeps your audience hooked, even with sound off. Dual timeline editing might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. You can zoom into micro edits while keeping your overall structure visible. In our productivity test, editors saved up to 35% of their time because they didn't have to constantly zoom in and out of the timeline to fix pacing. And finally, import subprojects. This one is all about scalability. You can pull your old openers, outros, and graphic templates into new projects instantly. Update text, change the brand tag, and you're ready to export. For small teams or freelancers handling multiple clients, this means a consistent brand style without starting from zero. Now let's pull up our side-by-side AI Arena scoreboard. Filmora 15 versus the traditional manual workflow. Steps touch down 47%. Panels open down 60%. Total editing time saved 23 minutes. The difference is huge. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Filmora 15 is no longer just an editing app. It's turning into an AI-powered creative ecosystem. You can generate cinematic scenes using Google VO3 directly inside the app, translate your video into any language with AI lip sync, and even remove unwanted people from the background with just a few clicks. Real case study time. Maya, a freelance video editor, used Filmora's AI Extend, dynamic captions, and smart scene cut to rebuild a 30-second client promo. She finished it in 42 minutes instead of 4 hours. Another creator used AI Storyboard Generator and shipped 12 short-form videos in one afternoon, something that would normally take 2 days. Filmora 15 isn't trying to replace editors. It's helping creators move faster, deliver cleaner visuals, and take on more projects without burnout. If you're a freelancer, YouTuber, or part of a small creative team, this upgrade changes your workflow from day one. Try Filmora 15 today and rebuild this viral short yourself. Use my code WEB10 for a 10% discount and see how many minutes you can save. Subscribe, ring the bell, and drop your results in the comments. Let's see who sets the next AI Arena editing record.